Good morning, everyone. Welcome back for another exciting travel vlog. Today, this is kind of a little milestone for me. Going to do the first ever pirate vlog. So we're right here. This is the Galveston Channel, like the Bay area, and we're visiting the old home of the notorious Galveston's most famous pirate's house, the house of Jean Lafitte. Let's talk about it. Now, there's really no sidewalk here, so this is not too safe on a main highway too, but there it is. Here we are, right on this main busy highway. This is the home of the original Jean Lafitte, and it's actually a state historic landmark. Notorious pirate Jean Lafitte settled here in 1817 with his buccaneers, and ships under Mexican flag continued his forays against Spanish shipping in the Gulf. Wow. We cannot get inside. I saw one of my favorite travel vlogger YouTubers, Adam the Woo, was here 4 or 5 years ago, and the gate was actually open for him. It's kind of open, but they put that there, and we cannot get inside, but it's still really cool to see. So some quick facts about Jean Lafitte. He lived here in 1817 to 1820. Only lived in Galveston for actually 3 to 4 years. Then he moved. It's fascinating that it still actually remains today. So this house, well, the structure anyway, survived the hurricane in 1900, all the hurricanes after that. Most recently, 2008, the Hurricane Ike that came up here. If you do believe in ghosts, apparently Jean Lafitte himself can be found here sometimes late at night, roaming the grounds. Now, another reason why this area is closed off is because there is apparently treasure buried somewhere in the grounds in his house. It was never found, but that's a big reason why people close this off. A little more background on Jean Lafitte. He headquartered his smuggling business mainly on Galveston Island, where we're at right now. Back then, this was actually known as Spanish Texas. Now, this house right here, it was a 2-story house. You could see him, going up those steps. But he actually burned this house himself and ended up burning most of the house when he was fleeing from the U.S. government. Now, I read online that apparently he was a very good-looking, well-dressed man. Women loved him, and he could pretty much get anything for women that they wanted. Nonetheless, Texas's most famous smuggler. Now, they do have an alley around this building in the back. We're going to see if we can see. I mean, we could see. I don't know, maybe we can sneak in from the back. I don't know. We'll see. Down this creepy alley. Let's go. So here's the back of the house. It is posted, but this is a view from the other side. Oh my God, I could get through. What the fuck? Look at that. All right, we're gonna go take a quick peek around the back. There is barbed wire and shit, but I cannot resist. I can't resist. So we're gonna sneak through, and I'm on Jean Lafitte's flippin' property. Wow. If you guys stayed to this part, thank you, because this is cool. Wow. We've made it. Look at this. I'm so glad I decided to come around the back. Wow. This was his house. That's the main steps coming up right there. We were just outside the gate there. This is something. Look at this. Most notorious pirate of Galveston, maybe even Texas, Jean Lafitte. He was French, by the way, if you couldn't tell by the name, but look at this. He came up these stairs. Right here. Now remember, not only did this area survive the burning itself of Jean Lafitte when he was fleeing from the US government, but it also survived the huge hurricane of 1900, all the hurricanes after, Hurricane Ike in 2008. So you can see the salt water definitely is taking its toll on this brick, but Jean Lafitte would have went up these steps to the first, I guess, second floor. Wow. What's also crazy is there could have been, from what I was saying before too, buried treasure, maybe even right in there. That's why it's all blocked off now, but wow. Time to go before we get busted. Look at that. That was nuts. I'm so glad I came around the back. I'm so glad. That was so cool. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I love history. As you know, if you follow my channel, that was definitely a major piece of history right there. Most notorious, famous pirate of Galveston. Lived there 4 years. Ruled Galveston. Burned that house to the ground. After all these hurricanes and crazy weather, it still lives on. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. We'll see you all soon on the Travel Channel. Take care.